Well, Dhaka is burning under sweltering heat. We are just huffing and puffing. The temperature is way beyond our control, way beyond our tolerance limit. But here I can see a rooftop garden just in the next building. I think the people in that building are quite smart. They are eco-friendly. They are environmentally conscious, or at least they are utilitarian in the sense that they know the benefit of rooftop gardening. So you can see some flowers as well as vegetables and fruit trees, and there is a cooling effect about the trees on the roof. And whenever you come to the garden in the afternoon or in the morning, you'll find a solace, you'll find some mental tranquility, and it has some therapeutic properties as well because uh, when you work in your garden, you water the garden, you prune the trees, you trim the branches and leaves, then it involves a lot of physical work, and it can be a good alternative to your physical exercise. I wish I could do some gardening on the roof. Unfortunately, I cannot do it at the moment, but again, it can be a viable option for those who has a roof, who has the time to do some gardening. And our city is treeless, our city is without that many water bodies which it used to have. And as far as you can see, there are buildings and buildings and buildings. I came to learn that maybe 2 decades back the place was full of water bodies. In fact, the buildings you can see here were non-existent 20 years back. All these things sprang up over the years, and the low places were filled up with earth and other materials, and the high-rise buildings were later on constructed on the places where there was once some water body. So if urbanization keeps on going like this, at this pace, at this intensity, we cannot blame that climate is changing and someone has to blame. We can easily pass on the blame to others who are far away from us. But what are we doing? We are doing the same thing that causes all the nuisance, that causes our misfortune. So if we want to build up a good city, we have to make it eco-friendly. We have to ensure that we accommodate as much green space as possible, and our architectural designs should be accommodating the green tech architecture, the green technologies, and all this. Anyway, from the rooftop of my building, I wish you all the best, and I hope my friends, my listeners, they will do some gardening, they will do something uh, uh, as much as they can do to green the space all around them. Thank you so much.